The first time I heard about the Festival of the Impossible, it was going to be an international event in Lisbon. And then what happened was the world changed, sort of overnight. And the idea of home became a place that you were going to be in for really an unspecified period of time. And I began to think about the idea, well, what if a traveler came to visit you? I started thinking about this character, Aylar, that I'd been working with, who's an embodiment of this idea of the angel of the future, who historically is always represented blindfolded, like the future can't see where it's going. What if this kind of spirit of the world could come in? What's she going to be like? What will she have to say? One of the beautiful things about AR is the way things can kind of walk through walls. You can be visited by something in your own space. So it's an idea of potential. It's a very poetic idea, that language and code and pictures stimulate us to think about new alternatives.